Good morning students. As I told you in the previous video, now I am going to show you how to make a poster from the scratch. As I told you before, first you have to go to, we opened Word. See, we opened a blank document. Now I go to layout, I choose margin. See, in the margin there are something like you can choose what is already available from here. You want a narrow margin, you want lost custom setting, normal, anything you can choose from here, or you can go for custom margin. That means you decide. In the custom margin you decide how you want your margin to be. Like I want to increase the margin like 1.5. I want to increase the margin here as also 1.5. Can you see the text will be shown here. The left margin I want to increase it to 1.5. Okay, right margin I want to change it to 1.5. I want my poster to be like this, landscape. See, if it is portrait, you see the difference here. It's like this. If it is landscape, it will be like this. Okay, then I give what? So now I have this one. See, this is paper. Okay, layout. I go to layout. Okay, margins is done. Layout. Okay, like for example, I can use any layout if I want. Even I can apply border, for example, like here. I can use small border like this with this line. Okay, I give OK, so that I have a border. See, I will repeat again. Go to layout, margin, custom margin. See, first you can adjust the two things here. One is margin, the other one is orientation. After that you can go to layout, then you have here border, choose box, then you can choose the thickness, like you want to have it like this, and give OK, so the border is applied. Okay, so you know about margin and orientation. Now what I am going to do is that I am also going to introduce something called column. You see here, I want it to be 2 column. That means you will see what is going to happen. I am going to have a small poster. You can also use insert word art. See, insert, go to insert word art. You can choose any design you like. For example, I would like to choose this one. I type here like COVID-19. Okay, precautions. My brochure, precautions and care. Precautions means how to be careful and care. See, it is coming in one half the page. Why? Because I make it like, when I make the layout, I choose the column and I say that it is how many columns? 2 columns. Can you see? That's why my typing stops here. It is not going up to this part. Okay, now what I do, I have this information. Now here, okay, here in this place, okay, this is done. After that I want to, so this is my first one, I did it. Okay, and then so this is actually done. Now what I do is that I want to insert a text. See here, see, sorry, it has gone. Okay, now I have done it. I can move it here if I want. You can see here, I just move it wherever I want in the center, for example. Then I can move my, like it is moving down. Okay, like this is like this, COVID-19 precautions and care. Okay, now what I want to do is that I want to insert, can you see here, shapes. In the shapes you see here there is something called hangouts. Can you see here, insert, I use shapes, I use this one. Can you see this one, call out. Call out means giving some information, like here for example I want to give a, I want to insert a shape which is call out. Can you see here, I think like this. I want to put a information here and I want to change the color, for example. Now what I do, I control C or copy and paste. Okay, like this, and do. Okay, undo. Okay, now what I do, I select this one, copy, paste, paste. paste, paste, paste. Control C and Control V. See, now this is one thing, COVID-19 precautions and care. I am moving all these things here. Can you see here? I am moving this one here. Okay, it's like a hangout. Call out means what? Some message which I want to give to people about COVID-19. See, now this is my poster, simple poster I am making. Can you see now? I am making the poster with these two images. Can you see now? Like this. Now, simple. Now you see, this is my poster where I have not got many text. Okay, now you see here I want to add a text. I want to add a text. Call out. Okay, and then I type here. Okay, wash your hands frequently. Okay, now here I write, okay, social distancing is another thing. Wash your hands frequently. Okay, now I write here, wear masks whenever you go out. This is another one which I wanted to tell the people. Next thing, okay, isolate yourself if you have any symptoms. Symptoms means if you have cold, cough, anything like this, you should not meet with people. Okay, next one here, avoid gatherings. Don't have gatherings, that's not allowed at this point of time. The next one is what? Okay, take vitamin C, which is in orange or in other fruits. Vitamin C a lot, and drink more water. Drink fluids. Fluids means water a lot. Okay, see, now I make this one very simple. This is my poster. See, this is what is called a poster. I made a poster now. Why? Because I wanted to tell the people how to be safe during this COVID time. What are the precautions? I make my own. You can see here now, but this is not very colorful. So go here in this one, change the color, shape, fill. Now it's blue. For example, I want to change it as green. For example, this one will become like green. Okay, green. Now I go here, I change the color maybe here as orange. See, I want it to become more colorful. Okay, that's what my idea is about. This is what is poster about. Now this one I want to change it like maybe dark blue. Okay, now I go here, I change the fill of color. Like for example, I want to make it like, okay, different colors gives attraction to the eyes for people to see what is the information that's being shared. Okay, then I will also go here. Okay, now see, now I make like this. Here I go. Now this one I am trying to make it like, can you see now? I try to make it like this color. Okay, I am just showing you an idea. See, don't think that only my idea should be followed. It's just an idea I am giving you. Like for example, you see here, I can put it here. I can move it as I like. Can you see? When you move, it will show the direction, the margin. In the left margin, you put it here. Okay, and in the right margin, you are putting it here as you like. Okay, and then you are showing it here. Like for example, you can move it like this. Okay, and then you can move this also a little bit down if you want. See, because it's overlapping. Okay, you can move it here and you can move it here. Okay, but now it is not coming within this one, so just you can make it. Can you see now? This is my poster. Now the poster is ready. Now I want to go to the layout or design. Okay, page color. Can you see this one, page color? In design, I choose the page color. See, I want to apply a different color for my layout. Like for example, I am just choosing this color. It's too dark, I believe, because I will feel I don't see the information very clearly. Okay, maybe this color. Okay, now you see, file, save as. In this PC, in the desktop, I am just showing poster design demo 1. So I save it. Now you see here, I will show you the print preview. Print, can you see now? Okay, but since you will use a color, it will print in color only. So this is just a simple idea of a poster. What is a poster or a brochure? You make some information in form of something like this. But now this is what a simple idea is about. Now in the next video, I will show you how to make a poster where you will use pictures. Thank you very much for listening. See you in the next class. Thank you.